Hello everyone and welcome to a special video. We have hit 2,000 subscribers. So I thought I would do a short video today just saying an absolute thank you to all of you. But also, while we have had 2,000 subscribers, I've also changed rooms. And so I thought I'd do an office tour as well. But first things first, 2,000 subscribers. Wow. I mean, I know it's a small number for a lot of people, but for me, it's massive. It means a huge amount. For context, this channel has existed since June 1st, 2021. And definitely for the first couple of years, content was very inconsistent. It was more on the developer side in terms of trying to do some tutorials and stuff, hence the name of the channel. But I definitely kind of fell out of love with that style of content and started down the route of more techie and showing the life as a developer advocate. If you don't know, I'm a developer advocate, and that includes things like going to conferences, writing content, which I think is why I kind of fell out of love with doing tutorials, because I do that as my day job anyway. And just the things I love, aviation, travel, tech, all these sorts of things into a channel. And it wasn't really until last year that I kind of started committing to doing as much content as I do for this channel. So really trying to hit that one video related to tech every Monday. Other than today's a special video, but nonetheless. And then on a Thursday, kind of doing another kind of variety video, if you like. Videos from our trip to Disney, videos to do with aviation, hotel reviews, all these other sorts of stuff. And yeah, really, I tried to push to do that every week last year. Didn't succeed every week, but really did make it quite far. And the result was in August of last year, we hit 1,000 subscribers. So it did take about 3 years to reach 1,000 subscribers. But we've really seen things starting to build up. I am determined to continue with that kind of trend of a tech video on Mondays, other than this Monday, which is this video, a variety video on the Thursday. Sometimes there might not be a variety video, but nonetheless, tech videos every Monday. And the result is, well, yeah, we reached 2,000 subscribers. So in the beginning of February. So it actually only took 5 months to go from 1,000 to 2,000, which compared to 3 years for the first 1,000 is amazing. And I'm definitely looking forward to seeing where the channel can go and looking forward to that next 1,000 subscribers as well. But still, for all of those that are here today to now, thank you so very much. The channel wouldn't exist without you. Being able to make these videos is such a great hobby of mine, and I really enjoy it. And starting to get some ad revenue as well, which means I can pump it into the channel and do some weird and wonderful videos buying stuff that I definitely wouldn't buy normally. So yeah, look forward to that as well. I think that's all I can say really. Thank you so much. Let's get on with a room tour. And for context, my old office looked something like this, which is to say it was very small. It was the smallest room in the house. And I didn't really have enough space. I was already starting to have to put stuff in this room, which used to be the spare bedroom. So I've just decided to go ahead and just completely take over the spare bedroom instead. All right, let's check it out. So first things first is my desk, which is where I'm kind of looking at when I was just speaking to you. But in general, this is also where I'll be looking at when I make a lot of my videos. And it's quite busy at the moment. There's lots going on, mainly because I've got a lot of things going on. Over here's my main monitor, which is kind of my work monitor, doing my day job, which is then connected to this MacBook behind here. I just really liked this like neon effect light as well. Really liked it. On this pegboard, and I recently discovered there are a lot of 3D printable things for this pegboard. So we've got a lot of mount stuff. We've got my Steam Deck up here. We've got a holder for the camera there, headphones and my Apple Watch charger and all that sort of fun stuff, and a holder for the laptop itself. And then the rest of the stuff is we have my old MacBook Air here, which is the original M1, and again, setting up for a project coming soon. A little sneak peek there. an iPad, which I often use to just monitor my YouTube stats. I love stats, can't help it. And then a few other bits and pieces on the desk, including a processor and some RAM, again, for a project coming soon. Behind me, the view that you will normally see, we have a large shelf of different stuffed toys, many of which my wife has made, but also different ones we've picked up from different things. There's the Bitrise cat, for example. And then this whole shelf is basically my Warhammer shelf. If you don't know, I collect and, well, occasionally paint Warhammer as a bit of a hobby to get away from the screen. So we have a couple of bits that are painted up here, and then some that are very much not painted. And we're kind of going down with different armies. Some of it's 40k, and then there's a lot of Age of Sigmar here, with more 40k coming soon. I've kind of switched over to give that a go. But yeah, we've got a mixture of painted and very much unpainted. And then down the bottom we have my paints, and again a 3D printed paint holder. And below that is all the kind of other gumph paperwork and stuff that comes with it. So that's that shelf. Then moving over, we have kind of a bit of a assortment of collectibles, I guess is the thing. A couple of pops, bit of Lego, can't go wrong with some Lego. These again, some stuff that my wife crocheted for a talk that I'd give last year, and probably again this year, around the difference between AI and AK, or artificial knowledge. A couple of androids that I've been 3D printing as well. My benchies here, a copy of OS X, which I love. This is my Unity tablet, which is a tablet that I actually helped design and wrote some of the software for. Fortunately, it never made it to market, so it's a bit of a rarity. It does still work, just about. Then down below we have my retro handhelds, my Badger badge, which I absolutely love. I want to do a video on this at some point. It's a programmable e-ink badge. And this device down here called a Toy Brick, which was a rocket ship test development board, which, funnily enough, I managed to brick pretty much straight away. Again, I want to look at that again and see if I can fix it. Below here, some tools and other bits and pieces. We also have some iMacs sitting on the floor at the moment. This is my G5 iMac. This is a slightly newer Intel iMac, waiting for a video. And then this is a original Intel iMac when it was still in the plastic. And this does not work at the moment. Again, hoping to do some fixing on this. But I have taken a few parts of this to fix up the G5 iMac, so we'll see. And then moving along, we still have some more bits and pieces here. Some games, some random bits of hardware, other bits of hardware, boxes of cables. Everyone's got to have a box of cables. Every single time I try to clear them out, I end up needing the cables that I've thrown away, so I just don't clear it out anymore. This here is a bed for one of my dogs, a little house, and there's also one of his penguins on the floor down there. And then moving round, we have some more shelving over here. This was already here. This is kind of what I'd already started to take over with. Again, some packaging stuff for anything that I do end up selling on eBay and that sort of thing. A couple of just boxes, some Lego in there and that sort of thing. Some clothes that aren't currently fitting, shall we say. Some more bits and pieces just for storage. And then over here we've got my wife's Loungefly collection at the moment. And then some more hardware. There's my Xbox, some a TV here, VCR. There's the Dell laptop that I did a video on, and a small CRT that I recently got for free, and it works, which is great. And then over here is my 3D printer, the Bambu Labs A1, and all of the filament and stuff for that. Down here we have my old home server, which you'll have seen a couple of videos on around gaming on it, but that has now actually been replaced by the new server over here. Again, video coming soon, so spoilers. No one's seen this yet, but yeah, that's my new server in there. And then a few other bits and pieces. But yeah, that's the office. There you have it. There is my office. I hope you enjoyed that tour. I definitely like how it's all set up. The one thing I did miss out is down here on the floor is my XP gaming machine. That is there as well. But overall, yeah, much more space in here. Much more room for more stuff, which is cool. And yeah, I think I'm going to leave this video here for today. I know it's a bit different. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope it was somewhat interesting. If you have any questions about anything you saw, do comment down below and let me know. And otherwise, regular viewing will return next Monday. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again very, very soon. Bye for now.